Hey guys, do you remember when we got the ColourPop You Had Me at Hello palette in our Boxycharm? When I saw these shades, I immediately thought soft glam palette. This morning when I was deciding which video I should go ahead and do, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna do one eye ColourPop, one eye ABH, and see if they will come out alike. Not thinking to really do a dupes palette. It's not a dupes thing, it's just they look alike or not. I decided to sit down and swatch the shades to just see what shades I would be using in the palette. And when I was swatching them, I'm like, well, these are not, they look nothing alike, like completely nothing alike. So I changed my mind and I decided to do another video, but then I'm like, but when I opened the palette, I was seeing colors in the soft glam palette. These are the shades. Like when I looked at this palette, I was seeing shades in here. I was seeing these shades, even though they swatched completely different. I decided I'm just gonna go ahead, sit down, even though they swatch completely different, they're nothing like each other, and see if they would look alike on the eyes. What do you think? I say they do. So I wasn't crazy. If you're interested in seeing what the similarities are between the soft glam palette and the ColourPop You Had Me at Hello palette, just keep on watching. So I'm gonna go in with Moonstruck. I'm gonna be placing pulling strings all over the crease. So I'm gonna just place Moonstruck over it.
Next level.
After we have that blended out, I'm just gonna go ahead and add more of Moonstruck and pulling strings to just intensify that look.
Next level.
So we're going into Orange Soda and Cypress Umber. So I'm placing that right on the brow bone, all the way onto the inner portion. Now I'm gonna be packing on Cypress Umber.
Next level.
I'm gonna go ahead and add more of Orange Soda just on top of that to help blending. So now I'm getting my Luxie 237 brush, grabbing some of Orange Soda and blending out the edge. Okay, getting some of Cypress Umber on that same brush, just a little bit, and I'm gonna carry it in a little bit. Okay, I think I want to add a little bit more of Cypress Umber. So I am cleaning off the brushes in between applications, so I'm not mixing the products up. With my Luxie 205 brush, I'm gonna grab Sparks Fly, and this kind of just looks like burnt orange to me. Not really, but that's just what we're using. Okay. And with my Luxie 227T brush, I'm just gonna grab a little bit and place that right here. I'm gonna be using burnt orange. Cannot believe this.
Next level.
The trick is with the shimmers, because the shimmers aren't really close. Oh, I said I wanted to use Dusty Rose as well. So let me grab, I'm gonna get FBO. I don't know where I'm gonna put this one. Maybe I just put it under the waterline, on the bottom lash line. So let's leave that alone. All right, let's see what shimmers I could possibly use. And I'm gonna use the Nuts, which is this one. And now Now let's take Rose Pink from the Soft Glam Palette and my other pinky, just to be fair. I won't say anything. I won't say anything. Cleaning off my detailed brush. I'm just gonna try to clean up. I'll be back. All right, so now I'm gonna use 2 P's, cleaning off my detailed brush, and I'm just gonna add this to the inner corner or the inner section.
Next level. Next level.
And dipping into the knot and just making a gradient. So I got my brush cleaned, and I'm gonna pretty much do the same thing. I'm gonna use glistening and pink, rose pink. Wow. 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 All right, let me just go ahead. Should I do a complexion video? I'll decide. I can't believe I wasn't recording. Like, you should have seen my face, especially my facial expressions and all of that. So for this eye, I just went in, stamped some of Pulling Strings and FBO. Over on the Soft Glam side, I just stamped on Cypress Umber and then smoked it out with Desert Rose. Now upon application, it looked completely different. I'm gonna swatch the shades that I used, don't worry. Yeah, so I did that, and I, you know, while applying it, I was like, no, this doesn't look the same. But like taking a step back and just looking, I'm like, well, you can't tell which is which. It's crazy. Like, okay, before I forget, let me just show you my bottom lashes concoction. So I used the L'Oreal Voluminous primer, and I also go in with my L'Oreal Telescopic. If you guys haven't tried out this primer, I highly recommend it. I think all primers are the same. I tried the Dior 3D lash primer and it feels pretty much the same. And I like this mascara because the wand is so small for the bottom lashes. For the inner tear ducts, I went in with this Naked Cosmetics that we got in a Boxycharm. This shade, it's so pretty. I also use it as my highlight. If you guys want to see how I got the face done, check this video right here. Or if that video is not up as yet, I will be putting it up soon. Okay, so that about covers the video for the eyes. Like, can you tell that I use 2 different palettes, guys? Like, I can't tell. Like, I wouldn't be able to tell that I use 2 different palettes because they look so much alike. Even though when I swatch them, they're like, I could see the difference when I swatch them. I'm like, no, this is not the same shade. That's how they are. Like, they just have similarities. But when you blend them out on the eyes, they pretty much come out the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys some swatches of the shades that I used. Here you have 2 P's. Then here you have, for the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, you have Orange Soda. Then right here is Sparks Fly. And then this would be Burnt Orange. This is FBO, and this one would be Dusty Rose. Here you have Pulling Strings. This one is Cypress Umber, and you can see it's more cooler toned. Here is Moonstruck. And from the ABH palette, we have Glistening. And then right here we have the Nuts. And then this one would be Rose Pink. Yeah, so again, guys, you can see they look nothing alike. Are they alike or not? No, not on the swatches at least. but on the eyes they're pretty much identical, like you wouldn't be able to tell. So this side is the ColourPop you had me at Hello, and this side is the soft Glam Palette. Wow. All right, so those were the swatches. You guys can see they both look alike. I wouldn't be able to tell I use two different palettes, guys. I mean, I don't know, you tell me. Maybe when I'm editing I'll see something different. If not, what I'm seeing in the mirror right now is the same palette. Not really. Well, yeah, it looks the same. It doesn't look different at all. So anyway, we had a wonderful experience in this video, so I'll see you in another one. Alrighty guys. Mwah.